Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to the Aranzu range of UCS molds. You actually join us in our affiliates testing facility. You can see they've actually just cured a couple of molds over there and they're waiting to crush them. So what is a UCS mold? Basically UCS stands for Unconfined Compressive Strength test, and you use different cylindrical molds to do the tests. Now, what dictates the size of these molds? That's all dependent on your slurry. So are you dealing with a very fine slurry? Maybe something in the range of a paste, and you'd be looking at a very small mold that's roughly 100 by 120 millimeters. If your top size is maybe a little bit bigger, you're going more towards, say, a hydraulic fill or aggregate fill, or even maybe a CRF type of fill. Then you could start looking at some of the bigger ones. That's a 75. This is 100 by 200, and then this is a nice big one at a 250 by 500. We do offer bigger ones for if you're really going with some large top size for your CRF and aggregate, but those we tend to make from steel. So we make them out of stainless steel. But basically what are we trying to achieve? We want to pour a representative sample of our backfill material in a representative mold. We need to know that the sides are fairly uniform, and then we've got a nice flat surface on the top and the bottom. We supply the molds as free draining, so you'll see there some holes in them. Or we can actually have it where it's non-free draining. So your paste doesn't tend to bleed so much, so then we can actually have a sealed mold at the bottom. But your hydraulic fill, we want to try and mimic the stope conditions. So we make them free draining. Again, we'll adjust it to suit your needs. These molds are made from polyurethane. They are easy to disassemble. Take the tops off, take the bottom off, and you can slide the O-ring. We can reuse them, wash them, and then they're ready to go again. We don't use any form of tapes or adhesives to try to keep them together. We rather try and make it nice and simple. You see, we actually put them back together. There, slide the O-ring on. And then for the free draining one, we would put a piece of filter cloth or filter material on the inside, and it's ready to go. And what you'll be left with is a nice, beautiful representative sample ready to be crushed.
So another wacky purpose for our UCS molds, you can use it as a pencil case holder. Ready to go.